Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kola for the new subscribers or for the newcomers. Feel welcomed. Karibu sana sana sana. In today's video, we are going to use tomato for skincare. Just say slices of tomato. Oops, and it is done. I'm going to slice the tomato. Actually, there are two ways that you can use tomato on your face, and try this every night. And try me not, you'll not regret. You have that glossy face, the shiny skin, a glowing skin that you always want. Therefore, we start. This is a slice. The first method, you can just rub the tomato on your face, just like this, as I'm doing. You apply the tomato juice, then after that you can squeeze some on your hand. Then try to pamper your face, my friend. Try to massage in circular motions. For those who are asking if my dark circles ended, you can see. Can see? I'm telling you. Actually, guys, I'm shooting this early in the morning. It is 6 a.m. The reason I'm doing this at this moment is because my baby is not that well, but he's getting better. During the day, anasumbua. So, it has been long since I did a video. Therefore, I saw I can do this in the morning before he wakes up. Yes, that's the first method. Then after it dries, you wash off and moisturize. Can you see? I'm sure you can see even the the tomato seeds. Actually, I'm doing this not the first time, but it's my routine like every night. But sometimes I'm lazy. I just find myself I feel tired, I feel exhausted, I just sleep. But guys, try me. Try this method and you tell me how it goes. So after it dries off, you just wash. And yes, you can see the results. Guys, I want to show you the second method. And the second method, as always, our favorite ingredient has always been turmeric. Turmeric all the way. And therefore, just take a slice of tomato. You dip in turmeric like this, just small turmeric like this. Then you apply. Oops. These two ingredients are too amazing. One is a antioxidant, that is actually tomato. It's a great as in it has vitamin C that is good on your face. And guys, hey, these methods are working on my face pretty well. I used to have sometimes when I go outside the harsh weather, whether sun or a lot of baridi, it affects my face. But nowadays it is pretty well. Even when I go outside, even when I use another, let's say when I change my moisturizer, it doesn't affect me like before. Yes, then you wait, then after it dries, you wash off. Imagine that simple. Your face glows like, I don't know, what can I say? Hey, thank you so much for watching my videos. If you are new, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up so we can be referred by YouTube to other viewers. Please support me by subscribing. Thank you. Let's wait it dries.